Welcome to the video on the AAA Soil Recharge Kit. My name is Frankline Kimtai, and I'm the lead innovator. We are transforming agriculture with regenerative nutrition to create nature-powered food systems for a resilient future. Food production faces major structural challenges, including severe soil degradation in Kenya and nutrient lockout, which renders synthetic fertilizers inaccessible to plants. This creates a poverty trap, with farmers spending significant amounts for stagnant yields. Existing solutions do not address the full problem. Industrial inputs increase acidity, and organic manure leaches nutrients quickly. The gap is the lack of scalable, nature-based catalysts that restore soil biology while correcting pH. We introduce a nature-based food system that restores ecosystems and produces high-value food products. The catalyst is a modular soil restorative kit that corrects imbalances. We utilize urban and agricultural waste to close the nutrient loop, resulting in higher productivity and a lower environmental footprint. The solution components include maize cob biochar, which creates porous housing for microbes, eggshell powder, acting as a natural calcium carbonate buffer, and cured cow dung, providing nitrogen and essential mycorrhizal fungi. The AAA Soil Recharge Kit system is a Precision 5, 2-to-1 blend of cow dung, maize cob biochar, and micronized eggshell powder. Our technology uses pyrolytic carbonization and mineral buffering for pH correction, leading to restored soil health and unlocked crop nutrient absorption. Our production process involves slow pyrolysis to convert maize cobs into stable biochar, micronization to grind eggshells into fine powder for rapid reaction, and curing to age dung for 21 days to stabilize nutrient profiles. Our value proposition for farmers is a 50% reduction in input costs and a 50% increase in yields. Consumers gain access to nutrient-dense crops. Environmentally, we achieve permanent carbon sequestration and restoration of soil microbial ecosystems. The sustainable food market is growing rapidly. We target the North Rift region of Kenya, scaling economically to reach smallholder farmers. The main driver is the shift toward climate-resilient, regenerative agricultural practices. Our revenue streams include paid workshops, bulk supply contracts, franchising or licensing fees, sale of excess biochar for horticulture or carbon credits, and consultancy fees for implementing circular bioeconomy models. Our traction proves the solution works. We project impacting 200 lives by the end of 2026. Pilot success shows a documented pH shift from 4.5 to 6.5. Trials also demonstrated an 18% increase in soil water holding capacity. AAA is positioned against traditional inputs through differentiation. We address the cause of low yields, which is acidity. We offer cost leadership, being over 50% cheaper than synthetic diammonium phosphate, and promote sustainability through nature-based circularity. Our scaling strategy focuses on youth franchising, establishing modular processing centers. We leverage cooperatives for distribution and employ an open-source approach with digital manuals for rapid regional replication. Our go-to-market strategy begins with Phase 1 launch in Uasin Gishu County. We utilize channels like farmer cooperatives and community field days. Growth will involve expanding via decentralized recharge hubs managed by youth groups. Our impact metrics are clear. Environmentally, 1 ton of biochar sequesters about 3 tons of carbon dioxide. Socially, we drive significant growth in farmer income. On waste, we achieve 100% diversion of maize cob and eggshell waste. We are seeking investment to accelerate our growth. 35% is needed for technology, specifically kilns and grinding equipment. 30% is allocated to operations, covering logistics and waste collection. The remaining 35% is for research, focusing on soil analysis and demo plot documentation. Our dedicated team includes Frankline Kimtai, the lead innovator with a research background, Abigail Chepkoch, the co-innovator and implementation lead, and Vivian Cheriot, who is a crucial team player. We are transitioning to a decentralized production model for high-protein feed using BSF technology and seeking strategic partners. Our mission is to convert organic waste into high-value protein and secure food sovereignty. Join us in restoring the future of our food systems.